In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack URL. If you're rebranding, simplifying your address, or just want something more memorable, updating your Substack subdomain is a quick process, but it's also permanent. Your subdomain is the part before barksubstack.com, like yourname.substack.com, and changing it will update the web address readers use to find your publication. With that in mind, let's walk through it carefully. First, open your Substack dashboard. From here, head to Settings. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is where you control key details for your publication. Once the settings page loads, scroll down to the section labeled Danger Zone. Don't let the name scare you. It's simply where Substack groups actions that can't be easily undone. Because changing your URL affects how readers reach you, it lives here for safety. Inside the Danger Zone, look for the option called Change Publication Subdomain. Select that to open the controls for updating your URL. Next, click the button that says Change Subdomain. This begins the confirmation flow and ensures you don't make the switch by accident. At this point, you'll see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to change your subdomain permanently. Take a moment here. A new URL can streamline your brand, but it may also impact old links or bookmarks. If you've considered the implications and you're confident in the change, go ahead and confirm by clicking OK. This tells Substack you understand the permanence and want to proceed. After confirming, you'll be asked to enter your new subdomain. Type the address you want to keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. Stick to lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens only, and avoid spaces or special characters. If the name you want is already taken, Substack will let you know so you can adjust. A quick tip: choose something that matches your publication's identity and is simple to pronounce and share. When you're satisfied, click OK to finalize. Substack will apply the change and update your publication's address. Give the page a moment to refresh and you should see your new URL reflected across your dashboard. That's it. The change is complete. To recap, you went to Settings, opened the Danger Zone, selected Change Publication Subdomain, clicked Change Subdomain, confirmed the permanent change, entered your new subdomain, and confirmed one last time. Take a final look to ensure everything appears as expected and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.